The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, and IKEA has long been a go-to destination for affordable, stylish, and functional kitchen products. From innovative storage solutions to elegant dinnerware and space-saving accessories, IKEA offers a wide range of items that can enhance your cooking space. 1. Raskog Utility Cart, $39.99. This rolling cart is perfect for small kitchens, adding extra storage space for kitchen essentials. It's compact, highly versatile, and a customer favorite. 2. Tekla Dish Towels, 79 cents. These simple, affordable dish towels are highly absorbent and durable. Many buyers use them as rustic dinner napkins for a casual, homey look. 3. Corkin Glass Jars with Lids, $2.99. These airtight glass jars are ideal for storing pantry staples like flour, sugar, or coffee. They add a vintage touch to any kitchen. 4. Beckvam Spice Rack, $6.99. This wooden spice rack can be used for organizing spices or other small items. Its minimalist design fits well in various kitchen styles. 5. Gruntal Magnetic Knife Rack, $17.99. A space-saving essential, this magnetic rack holds knives securely and stylishly on your wall. 6. Bland Blank Stainless Steel Bowl, $6.99. This durable, versatile bowl is a must-have for mixing, serving, or preparing salads. Its sleek design makes it a staple for every kitchen. 7. Product Milk Frother, $1.99. An affordable option for frothing milk at home, this small tool makes cafe-quality lattes easy to create. 8. Variera Shelf Insert, $9.99. Add extra storage in cabinets by doubling the usable space with these shelf inserts, a highly functional kitchen organizer. 9. Lamp Lag Chopping Board, $24.99. This bamboo cutting board with a built-in juice groove can sit over the sink, offering more prep space and easy cleanup. 10. Idealisk Colander, $7.99. This stainless steel colander is perfect for draining pasta and rinsing vegetables. It's both sturdy and stylish. 11. Cavalcade Frying Pan, $6.99. A non-stick frying pan for an unbeatable price. Customers love how nothing sticks to it, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. 12. Vardigan Measuring Cup, $6.99. This glass measuring cup is microwave safe and designed with easy-to-read markings and a precise pouring spout. 13. Heat Cork Trivet, set of 3, $4.99. These trivets protect your counters from hot pots and pans, doubling as coasters. 14. Utrusta Towel Rail, $14. A sleek solution to keeping kitchen towels off your counters and floors. This rail helps towels dry faster too. 15. Consus Roasting Pan with Grill Rack, $19.99. This stainless steel pan is perfect for roasting meats and vegetables, and comes with a convenient rack for even cooking. 16. Mictor Baking Dishes, $5.99. These affordable, oven-safe glass dishes are perfect for casseroles, roasts, or desserts. 17. Bavara Ceiling Clips, $1.99 for 6-pack. These handy clips keep bags of food sealed tight, perfect for chips, frozen vegetables, and more. 18. Ostbit Bamboo Plate Holder, $5.99. This bamboo holder keeps plates organized, preventing them from toppling over. It can also double as a drying rack. 19. Kungsfors Rail with Hooks, $21.99. This simple rail offers endless possibilities for hanging utensils, pots, and more, adding extra storage in any kitchen. 20. Finmalt Glass Rack, $7.99. This wine glass rack helps free up cabinet space while offering a stylish way to display your glassware. 21. Rissatorp wire basket, $12.99. This airy wire basket is ideal for storing fruits or vegetables, letting air circulate to keep them fresh. It's a versatile item that fits well in both modern and rustic kitchen designs. 22. Prickig microwave lid, 99 cents. This microwave cover allows steam to escape, preventing messy splatters during food reheating. 23. Grilla grill pan, $19.99. This non-stick grill pan is perfect for achieving that outdoor barbecue taste indoors, thanks to its ridged surface. 24. Fornuft 20-piece flatware, set $9.99. A stainless steel flatware set that's both durable and affordable. It's a must-have for daily meals or entertaining. 25. Smabbit knife set, $4.99. This affordable 2-piece knife set is great for everyday kitchen tasks. The knives are durable, sharp, and highly rated for their quality and price, making them a practical choice for any home cook. 26. Pruta storage containers, 1.48 per 3-pack. Pruta food storage containers are one of IKEA's top-selling kitchen products due to their affordability, versatility, and practicality. These lightweight plastic containers come in a pack that includes multiple sizes, making them ideal for storing leftovers, meal prep, and organizing pantry staples. 27. Corken bottle with stopper, $2.99. Ideal for homemade juices or sauces, this airtight bottle is as practical as it is aesthetically pleasing. 28. Holtarp rail, $6. This sleek rail system is perfect for organizing kitchen tools and utensils. You can hang pots, pans, and kitchen towels to keep your countertops clutter-free. Its versatile design makes it suitable for both modern and traditional kitchens. 29. Trogan step stool, $29.99. This step stool is perfect for reaching those top kitchen shelves. Its sturdy design ensures long-lasting use. 30. Stockholm serving plate, $29.99. An elegant serving plate for any occasion, this glass platter is both practical and beautifully designed. These products offer practical solutions for your kitchen without compromising on style or budget. These IKEA kitchen products offer a blend of practicality, design, and affordability, making them best sellers in the USA market. Whether you are organizing your pantry, adding storage solutions, or simply upgrading your cookware, these items are designed to enhance your kitchen experience without breaking the bank. If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.